Hey, my name is Sam. We're here at TentCraft today, and we're going to show you our two different umbrella styles that we make here in-house. We have our 9-foot umbrella and our 7.5-foot umbrella. These umbrellas are really quick and easy to set up. One person takes a couple of minutes to get it going. No real assembly required, just a couple quick pieces to put together. It'll ship with, you've got a base, comes with the umbrella, the frame of the umbrella, and then the canopy of the umbrella. The canopy, we print dye sublimation technology, and we're printing our canopies on our 600 denier polyester. You can print in just one-sided of just the top of the canopy, which we have this one printed just one-sided here. And then you can also print on both sides. Our 7.5-foot umbrella here has printing on top and underneath as well. When you first get your umbrellas, it's going to come in a box, and the first step is just taking it out of the box, laying out your pieces. Really straightforward, and the frame even comes with some setup instructions in case you get lost along the way here. In addition to the frame that we've got here that comes in the box, you'll also get your canopy soft good top that comes with it. You can either have this printed single-sided just on the outside of the roof of the umbrella, or double-sided to get the underneath as well. And then you're also going to get a base, and the base is really straightforward. You're going to just put it in, put your umbrella right in, and just tighten it just like you would any kind of normal umbrella stand base, and get it secure. Next step, we've got an umbrella frame here, and using this push button, I'm simply just going to push it right in place. All right. So once you pull the frame out of the box, you're going to get your umbrella top here separate. Make sure you screw this off, and this is what goes over your umbrella top once you get it all set up. So to get it set up, once you've got your top off, easiest is just to kind of, and then your base, lean it on over. Pretty lightweight, it's easy to set up with one person. You can take your umbrella top, get it all organized here. Always making sure to keep your soft goods off the ground when possible, just to keep it clean. And of course this one's white, so we'll show extra dirt if it were to fall on the ground. But you'll see, pretty straightforward. In the middle of the soft goods, we've kind of got our cut here for the top. So just find the top of the umbrella stand there, take your little round piece and screw it on in. So real simple step. You'll see on your soft good, every little corner piece has a nice little place for the umbrella pole to go. So you're just going to grab your first umbrella frame piece here and just slip that elastic cover right over it, and make sure you're just starting with one and then kind of work your way around. Find the next frame piece, grab the next elastic part of the soft good, and just keep kind of working your way around and slipping them on. All right, once you've got all of your elastic pieces connected to the frame, it's ready to open on up. The umbrellas are nice. They come with kind of just your crank handle here to open it up like you would any umbrella on the patio. So here you can see this is our 7.5-foot double-sided, double-printed umbrella. Our nice lightweight aluminum frame here has the ability to pivot with the sun to provide additional shade. Should only take one person a couple minutes to set it up, and you'll be good to go. So again, these umbrellas coming in two different sizes, really quick and easy to set up. They provide great visibility and extra branding for your space, and of course functional shade when you need it most.